Hello and welcome to another belly dance tutorial here on the SH.E.B.A channel. My name is Salit and today I'm going to show you how to do turns and spins that we use in belly dance. First, I'm going to preface this tutorial by saying that I used to be the worst at turning. I could not do one turn. I had no balance, no technique. I hated it. I avoided turns at all costs. And after a lot of slow, methodical, meticulous training, I went from to. So it is absolutely possible to improve your turns. So go get yourself warmed up and we'll get started right afterwards. All right, now that we're warmed up, let's start with a basic turn, also known as a 3-step turn or a stepping turn. So you basically just step, step, step around yourself. Let's break that down. Just hold your arms open for the duration of the exercise for now. Take a small step with the right to the right. Now you're gonna turn through the right shoulder to the right. Turn right, face the back and step on the left. I'm facing directly back. Again, turn with the right shoulder, back. Step on the right, now I'm facing the front. And then I close it with the left foot. Same thing to the left. Small step, open to the left. With the left shoulder turning back. Turn, step on the right, facing back. Again, turn the right shoulder, the left shoulder back. Step on the left. And close with the right. A little bit smoother. And right, left, and close. Left, right, left, and close. Again, but we add a detail. Right, left, right, touch. So the heel is up and just the ball of the foot is touching the floor. This allows me to go to the left, right from here. Left, left, touch, right, and touch. Now let's talk a little bit about the arms. So they're holding open, but I want them a little bit in front so that I can see my fingertips through the corner of my eye without actually looking at them. So I want my shoulder blades kind of wrapped around and open as opposed to tensing back. Because A, this is uncomfortable and it throws me off balance, and this is a lot more relaxed and keeps me in control. So let's just focus on that and go right and left, and right, left, and close, and left, and close, and relax the arms. Now, let's add another detail to this. You're gonna try your best to stay on a straight line. If you have floorboards or tiles where you're practicing, you can use that as a line or anything else to mark the line. And you're gonna pay extra close attention where you step. So small step, especially if you're in a small space, you definitely don't wanna take a giant step. So just open out. And then I'm gonna turn and step that foot right next to the first foot. So turn right next to it and step, turn right next to it. I'm on the same line and touch. Step left, small step, turn, find that foot, step next to it. Turn, find that foot, step next to it and touch. Let's do that smoothly, right and left, and right, left, and touch, and left, and touch. Now let's try different arms. Opening and then crossing in like a big hug. And keep a distance between your chest and your hands. Like a whole person can fit in between your chest and your hands. You want to engage those triceps and biceps and keep your energy up. This also helps you balance. And then open again. So open, cross, open, and hold. Again, not too far back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see how it connects with the steps. So this is my 1. 2, I turn and cross. 3, I turn and open. 4, I touch and hold. To the left. 1, open. 2, cross. 3, open. 4, touch and hold smoothly. 1, 2, 3, and touch and open, cross, open, and touch, and relax. If you need more repetition, pause the video, drill as many times as you need. I will keep moving forward. Also, if this is your first time with turns, or if it's not your first time, but you still get dizzy, please take it easy on yourself. Take breaks, take pauses, and you don't even have to complete this exercise today. You can pause and continue another day, step by step, easy, easy. Okay, so you may have noticed another detail. I turn my head as I turn my body. This is a technique called spotting. So let's practice that. You're gonna find a spot in the wall in front of you. I have the mirror, I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror. Keep looking at myself. As I turn my body, I stay on that spot. When I can't look anymore, I rotate my head and then continue with the rest of my body. So again, just stepping. I'm looking. I can't look anymore. I turn my head first. And then I keep stepping to the left. Look, turn, find the spot, and turn again. Look, head first, and then the body. So let's do that with the step turn very slowly. First, you're gonna look to the right, in the direction that you are going, looking over your middle finger. Step 1, keep your arms open for this. 2, I turn my body, but my face stays in the same place. Now I turn my head first. Find that spot, and step. At the end, I can step front. To the left, find another spot on the wall, stay on that spot as you turn. Find that spot. See, I'm already halfway into the turn. Step, and to the front. Let's do that smoothly, and step, turn your head and touch. Step, turn your head with the pretty arms, and step, cross, open and touch. Look, cross, look and touch, and relax. Take a breath here. And out. Okay, let's try another option here. We've been stepping flat, meaning the whole foot on the floor. We can try to step it up on releve, on the balls of our feet. It's a little bit more challenging, so it's an option. You can try it, you don't have to do it. Holding the arms open, same thing, but we're gonna go a little bit faster because it's harder to balance when you keep it for a long time. So I'm gonna step out right away with the heel up. So step, bring the foot down and touch. So step up, turn, bring the heel down and touch. Do that a little bit faster. And up, down and touch, and up, down and touch. Yes, I'm still remembering the arms, still remembering the spotting. I know it's a lot of details, that's why step by step, you will get better. Continue practicing. Let's add those arms. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and touch, and 1, 2, 3, and touch. Now here, especially when you're up on the balls of your feet, you really want to step and close as you turn. So you don't want to turn like this. You want to turn close. So turn, step and touch. Feet close together. Turn, close, step and touch. Now that comes in handy, especially when you do more than one turn. These are called chaîné turns in ballet, which means chain. So you chain one turn into the other. If you're ready for it, don't worry if it doesn't happen today. So now let's take 2 turns and be careful with your space, really small steps. If you don't have room for more than 1 turn, don't worry about it. And step, and down and touch. And keep the feet close together, engage your legs, your quads, your glutes. Engage, and step, close, step, and down. And relax. We're gonna move to a different type of turn. Now we're gonna learn a spin. So what is the difference between a spin and a turn? Every spin is a turn, but not every turn is a spin. So by spinning, I mean a pivot turn, meaning I'm not stepping anymore, I'm just using momentum to take me around. So let's learn one type of that. I'm gonna keep my feet together and bend the knees. Just get that. Now, the arms are gonna come like in a push-up position. Push forward and around. Push forward and around. Let's add that torso. Push forward and turn the torso. Push forward, turn the torso. Now, bend the knees. Push forward, turn the torso, and come back up. Bend the knees, push against the wall. Turn the torso with the arms. Bend the knees, come back. So this is like a steering wheel, and this gives you momentum. Also, I'm looking with it. So everything is just turning, and that gives me momentum. Here we go. Now, to be able to move around, I slightly lift the heels off the floor. You can do this with 2 feet on the floor or with 1 foot. Either way is good. We're working on the 2 feet. It's very common in Egyptian dance. So as I'm spinning, I'm gonna slightly lift the heels off the floor. It helps to have dance shoes or socks or something to smoothen out the friction with the floor. So carefully. Now we're gonna use momentum, so we can't really slow this down. So let's just try to get the momentum to bring us all the way around back to the front. So we'll start by just pushing, and here we go. Bend, push around, and stop it in the front. Now, I want to be able to control exactly where I end up. So if I don't control my muscles and I don't know where I want to end up, I'll just spin out of control. I don't want that. I know that I start in the front and I want to turn and finish in the front. So I have to, again, like before with the spotting, look, find the spot where I want to end up and engage all my muscles, my glutes, my quads, my cores, everything, kind of like pressing the pedal, the brake pedal in a car to stop you. So we're steering the car and then we press the brake. See, I'm still bent here. So watch from the side. I'm still bent. I engaged all my muscles to stop me from continuing to spin. Let's do that to the left. Just with the arms and the upper body, look back and bring it around. Push forward, back, bring it in. And one more like this. Look, twist here and bring it back. Now with the spin, here we go. Forward, around, look and spin. And catch yourself. Now, let's add a hip circle to the end of that. So just staying in place, we're gonna bend the knees a little bit and then just push forward and do a hip circle. So this is like the big hip circle, but with feet together. So I just keep both knees bent and do a hip circle from the waist with the feet together. It's a different type of hip circle. Try to the left, knees together, sit and roll. Sit and roll back to center. So now slightly bend the knees, push forward, around. Here's that circle with the arms and to the front, to the left. Forward, around, See how the hands and the hips go in the same direction. So I add that at the end of my spin. I spin and finish it with a hip circle. It looks like this. Push forward, spin, and finish with a hip circle. Now you can lift one foot off the floor here. You can adjust your feet, whatever you need to do. It's all good. Make it comfortable for yourself. Take a breath and right away push, use the momentum, spin and circle. Push, spin, circle, and the more you bend, the more you relax your upper body, the more you can kind of corkscrew it up. Let's try that to the left. So remember the hip circle to the left. So you're gonna spin and circle the hip to the left. And take a breath. Exhale and go. And you can slow it down here. Let's practice that with the music.
المرة دي وسمعني كلمة وأنا راضية بالعيونك تسمح لي بيه وراضية باللي قلبك يوافق لي عليه وأنا راضية بالعيونك تسمح لي بيه وراضية باللي قلبك يوافق لي عليه وراضية بحبك بس فين ألاقيه.
All right, so that's it for today. I hope you found this useful. I know it can be very, very frustrating. Believe me, nobody knows more than me how challenging turns are. So keep practicing step by step. Be patient with yourself. Believe in yourself and just be consistent in your training. You will get there. So this was just a little taste and breakdown of turns and spins. Let me know in the comments if you want a sequel to this tutorial, and I'll go over other types of spins and turns. And also let me know if you want any other types of tutorials, any other topics to cover here on our channel. And until next time, keep dancing. Did you know that subscribing to a YouTube channel increases your happiness? Try it. Start with this one. You'll get loads of belly dance tutorials that will definitely make you happy.